Feeling drained by persistent fatigue and pain can make each day feel like an uphill battle. It's more than just being tired. It's a deep exhaustion that lingers, sometimes accompanied by aches that seem to settle in your muscles and joints, affecting your motivation, mood, and overall quality of life. When generalized fatigue and pain become part of your daily routine, it's easy to feel stuck. But there are proven ways to recharge your energy and rediscover a sense of vitality. By adopting specific habits, you can support your body, mind, and spirit, gradually reducing fatigue and pain and reclaiming your well-being. Let's begin by exploring the importance of sleep. Quality sleep is the foundation of energy and recovery. If you struggle with fatigue, start by setting a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same times every day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime ritual. Dim the lights, avoid screens for at least an hour before bed, and try gentle stretches or deep breathing. Make your bedroom a sanctuary, keeping it cool, quiet, and comfortable. If pain is interfering with sleep, experiment with supportive pillows, mattresses, or gentle heat packs to ease sore muscles. Prioritizing sleep isn't just about quantity. It's about helping your body repair, restore, and recharge. Nutrition is another key habit. When you're fatigued, it's tempting to reach for quick fixes like sugary snacks or caffeinated drinks. But these only provide temporary relief, often followed by energy crashes. Focus on eating balanced meals that include lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. These foods provide sustained energy and support muscle repair. Stay hydrated, as even mild dehydration can intensify fatigue and pain. Try to eat smaller, frequent meals throughout the day to keep your blood sugar stable. A good guideline is to fill half your plate with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with whole grains. Listen to your body's hunger cues and avoid eating out of boredom or stress. Movement, even gentle movement, is essential. When pain and fatigue are present, exercise may seem impossible, but the right kind of movement can actually help. Start with low-impact activities like walking, swimming, or gentle yoga. Stretching daily can relieve muscle tightness and boost energy. The key is consistency, not intensity. Set small goals such as walking for 10 minutes a day, then gradually increase as your strength improves. If you're unsure where to begin, consult a physical therapist for personalized recommendations. Movement stimulates circulation, releases endorphins, and helps your body feel more alive. Mindfulness and relaxation practices can also make a significant difference. Chronic fatigue and pain are often worsened by stress, so learning to calm your mind is vital. Try meditation, guided imagery, or progressive muscle relaxation. Even just 5 minutes of deep breathing can help reset your nervous system. When you wake up, take a moment to set a positive intention for your day. Notice the sensations in your body and send yourself compassion. Throughout the day, pause to check in with yourself. How are you feeling, physically and emotionally? Allow yourself to rest when needed without guilt. Mindfulness helps break the cycle of stress, pain, and exhaustion. Social support is another powerful tool. Isolation can worsen fatigue and pain, while connection lifts your spirits and provides a sense of belonging. Reach out to friends or family members, even if it's just a quick message or phone call. Share how you're feeling and let others support you. Consider joining a support group, either in person or online, for people who understand what you're going through. Sometimes, just knowing you're not alone can be a tremendous relief. Human connection is energizing and can help distract from pain and fatigue. Managing your environment is also important. Clutter and chaos can sap your energy, so take time to organize your space. Let in natural light, open a window for fresh air, and surround yourself with things that bring you comfort. If possible, delegate tasks that are overwhelming and simplify your daily routine. Break larger tasks into smaller steps and pace yourself. There's no need to do everything at once. Celebrate small victories and allow yourself to rest when needed. Prioritizing self-care is not selfish, it's essential. Schedule regular time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation, whether it's reading, listening to music, spending time in nature, or pursuing a hobby. When you engage in something you love, your body produces feel-good chemicals that boost energy and reduce pain. Self-care also means setting boundaries. Say no to requests that feel overwhelming and advocate for your needs. Remember, you deserve to feel well. If you're struggling with chronic pain, consider complementary therapies. Techniques like massage, acupuncture, or gentle chiropractic care may provide relief. Heat and cold therapy, Epsom salt baths, or topical creams can ease sore muscles. Always consult with your healthcare provider before trying new treatments, but don't be afraid to advocate for yourself and explore options. Tracking your symptoms can give you valuable insights. Keep a journal of your energy levels, pain intensity, sleep patterns, and daily activities. Over time, you may notice patterns, certain foods, activities, or stressors that worsen fatigue and pain, and others that help. Use this information to adjust your habits. For example, if you notice that skipping breakfast leads to a mid-morning energy crash, make eating a nourishing breakfast a priority. If certain exercises increase pain, switch to gentler options. Your body's signals are important. Listen to them and adjust accordingly. Sometimes, underlying medical conditions like thyroid disorders, anemia, fibromyalgia, or chronic fatigue syndrome may be contributing to your symptoms. If fatigue and pain persist despite lifestyle changes, consult with your doctor. Advocate for thorough testing and treatment. Managing these conditions often requires a combination of medication, lifestyle changes, and support. Mental health is closely linked to physical energy and comfort. Depression, anxiety, and stress can intensify pain and fatigue. If you notice persistent sadness, worry, or a lack of interest in things you once enjoyed, seek support from a mental health professional. Therapy can provide coping strategies and help you process emotions. Practice self-compassion. Acknowledge that what you're experiencing is difficult and give yourself credit for managing as best you can. Building resilience is a gradual process. Some days will be harder than others, and setbacks are normal. Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate small improvements, whether it's walking a little farther, sleeping better, or feeling less pain. Over time, these habits add up, creating a foundation for improved energy and well-being. Let's summarize the most effective habits for recharging your energy in the face of generalized fatigue and pain. 1. Prioritize restful sleep by creating a soothing environment and a regular schedule. 2. Nourish your body with balanced whole foods and stay hydrated. 3. Incorporate gentle movement and stretches to support circulation and muscle health. 4. Practice mindfulness and relaxation to reduce stress and reset your nervous system. 5. Connect with others for emotional support and encouragement. 6. Organize your environment to minimize overwhelm and simplify your routine. 7. Schedule regular self-care and set boundaries to protect your energy. Explore complementary therapies for pain relief with professional guidance. 9. Track your symptoms to identify helpful patterns and adjust your habits. 10. Consult with healthcare providers to address underlying medical or mental health conditions. As you begin to adopt these habits, remember that change takes time. Start with 1 or 2 small adjustments and build from there. For example, you might begin by going to bed 30 minutes earlier or by adding a daily 5-minute stretch session. As you notice improvements, gradually incorporate more habits. You are worthy of feeling better, and every step you take is a step toward renewed energy and comfort. If you find yourself feeling discouraged, remember that healing is not linear. There will be good days and bad days, but each effort you make is meaningful. Reach out for support when needed, and treat yourself with kindness. Your body and mind are resilient, and with patience and persistence, you can find relief from fatigue and pain. Visualize a future in which you wake up feeling refreshed, move through your day with greater ease, and find joy in small moments. By adopting these habits, you are investing in your well-being, honoring your body's needs, and creating a life that feels more vibrant and fulfilling. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards, more energy, less pain, and renewed hope are well worth it. Remember, you are not alone in your struggle. Millions of people experience fatigue and pain, and there is a growing understanding of how to manage these symptoms. Support is available, both from loved ones and professionals. With the right habits and mindset, you can break free from the cycle of exhaustion and discomfort and embrace a life filled with energy, comfort, and possibility. Begin today. Choose one habit to focus on and take the first step toward recharging your energy. Your journey to renewed vitality starts now, and every small change brings you closer to the life you deserve.